24s riding chrome. That's how all my. What you talking about? That's all I know of the song. Resonator, muffler, and tips.
Vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom.
Ain't y'all supposed to
Do it.
have a mask or something?
Hell yeah.
Y'all
Like-
gonna post that video and they're gonna call OSHA.
It's just tack welding. I'm not fully welding. It'd be alright.
I'm legally blind. I always like them a little bit out, but that's me.
Well, this is your shot. We're gonna put them out.
That's like a perfect gap, actually. Yeah, it's bright.
Safety first, kids. Ring.
I gotta get some welds in here too, so people don't be like, "Oh, he don't know how to weld."
President now, don't they?
Yeah. Your beard burning. I see welds fall in there and disappear. Should've bought a Civic. This thing welding, boy. Nah, for real.
First start up. Here we go. How's it feel to be an American power, baby? American, baby.
Sounds straight. I've heard better.